Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a newsletter sign-up form with Bitform for WordPress. Let's get started. First, open your Bitform dashboard, and click on the Create First Form button. Next, choose the type of form you want to create from here. For this video, I will create a newsletter sign-up form. So I will use the built-in newsletter sign-up form template. Now you can also customize the form fields according to your needs. Once done, click on the Update button and copy the shortcode. Now go to your page and paste the shortcode into a shortcode block. Finally, publish it, and your newsletter sign-up form is ready to use. That's how you can easily build a newsletter sign-up form in WordPress with Bitform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.